Hello everyone, this is AI Digital. Today we will learn how to make AI YouTube channel. So we will type Heygen in Google and we will select this first website. So this is Heygen. It's beautiful interface, home, template, avatar, video, assets. Here you can create a video in landscape and portrait. It's really amazing, really amazing. These are avatar section. From here you can select an avatar. You can check out. There are 119 avatars available at this time. Male avatars, female avatars, avatar light. These are talking photos. So today we will use Avatar Pro and learn how to make a YouTube video channel from this site. So these are the amazing avatars. You can select this as your channel representative. If you want to select a male, female, teenage, man, woman, you can select from here. From here we will select create in a landscape. As you know, these are the templates. I've selected it and now I'm going to select avatar from the avatar section. So I like this one, I'll select it. And here we will type our content, and this is how this video is gonna. We'll delete it. Already made it. Now it's our video. I'll add text again there. Now this is our video, a beautiful avatar and a beautiful template. We'll load it. We'll sign in with Google and now we'll submit it. Video is ready. So fast, so easy, very convenient to use. Now it's processing. It takes few seconds to process. Now we will play this video and show you how it works.
Hello everyone, this is AI Digital. Today we will learn how to make AI YouTube channel video from Heygen. Hello everyone, this is AI Digital. Today we will learn how to make AI YouTube channel video from Heygen.